Hey, welcome back to another epic adventure at Weaver Stonehouse Farm. So we had a door switch malfunction. I thought these would work kind of like a car door switch, and they don't. So I was trying to get it to go so I could check the sprayer arm, and I broke it. So this one I picked up, and this is our Frigidaire Gallery dishwasher. And the one I picked up, share that number. I picked that up off Amazon. Got it. And it looks pretty much identical to our old one, except in better shape. So all you do with this, obviously, is you want to make sure the power's off. Ours is unplugged, and you literally plug it back in. It's a switch, and they just open and close. Put them in, and then these go up here. These are Torx. Pull it back, yeah, hold that. Goes right there, perfect, it fits in. Let's make sure that's plugged in. Hey, catches, off, catches, off, catches. Exactly what we needed. Okay, now we can bolt the rest of this back together. Sweet. If you like that one, fixing your Frigidaire dishwasher door switch, like and subscribe and follow along to Weaver Stonehouse Farm.